In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add groups to a community on WhatsApp Web. This process is fairly straightforward and will help you organize your communication channels more effectively within WhatsApp. Whether you're managing a group of friends, a work team, or any other community, adding groups can significantly enhance your ability to communicate efficiently. So, let's dive in. To begin with, you'll want to open WhatsApp Web on your browser. Once you're there, look towards the top of the sidebar where you'll notice a plus sign. Clicking this symbol will open up a menu with several options. From here, you need to select the New Community option. This is the initial step towards setting up a centralized location for multiple groups you want to manage. After selecting New Community, you'll be prompted with a Get Started button. Clicking this will guide you into the community creation process. WhatsApp makes it quite user-friendly by leading you step by step through the process, ensuring that even those new to using this feature can navigate it with ease. Next, you will be asked to type in the name of your community. This is an important step because the name you choose will represent your community to all its members, so make sure it's something clear and relevant to the purpose of your community. It's also a good idea to pick a name that is easily recognizable so that members can easily find it among their messages. Once you've settled on a name, go ahead and click the Create button. This finalizes the initial setup of your community. With your new community created, it's time to start adding groups to it, which is the core function of this tutorial. Now that your community is ready, locate the Add Group option within the community page. Clicking this will present you with the choice of either creating a new group from scratch or adding an existing group to the community. If you choose to add a new group, simply follow the prompts to set this up. Fill in the essential details like the group name and details, and you're good to go. On the other hand, if you decide to add an existing group, the process is slightly different but equally simple. Clicking Add Existing Group will bring up a list of groups you're already part of. Select the ones you wish to include and follow the on-screen prompts to add them into the community. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of adding groups to your community on WhatsApp Web. This feature is a great way to keep your communication streams organized, allowing for efficient management of discussions, announcements, and more. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your WhatsApp experience.